Hi guys, welcome back to Mama in Her Home. My name is Mandy. If it's your first time stopping by, I do a lot of homemaking videos. I'm a mom of two, a wife. Hope you do enjoy the kind of content that I create. If you do, please don't leave without subscribing, commenting, and liking the video. To my returning subscribers, thank you guys so much for the continuous support. You guys have been amazing to this channel. I really do appreciate every single comment, every single subscription. Your support has been overwhelming. In today's video, I will be cleaning the kitchen and cooking. I spend a lot of my time here in the kitchen. I don't know how many of my videos I film while I'm in the kitchen. So just a bit of chit chat. I want to share with you my experience of being a homemaker. Even though I'm no longer full-time in homemaking, I currently have a job on contract that will end soon and very soon. This is the last month to be exact. With me and homemaking, at first I was so frustrated when I was doing the chores. Always at home doing the chores, cleaning, doing the very same thing every day, until I find a lot of motivating channels or homemakers or related channels who are doing the exact same thing. I was so motivated, you guys. It no longer feels like a chore to me, because I really like to see my family healthy, monitor every situation, even though I'm not in control over it, but monitoring every situation, not missing anything, ensuring that I try to provide nutritious meals to my family, ensuring that they have sufficient clothes, ensuring that the house is clean and the house is homely for everyone. And I've really been enjoying that part the most, seeing my family happy over a meal or over a clean home or over a overall in everything around household. I've been very happy and I've been very satisfied. It has decreased the level of depression that I had, because sometimes I'll even get so demotivated and maybe take a bath very late in the day when they are about to get back from work, or from maybe when he's about to get back from work, and then the girls when they are about to get back from school. I'll check on the time sometimes, and only then I'll get up and take a bath. But now I feel so motivated, even when I'm not going to work on a Saturday or on a Sunday. I wake her up, I bath, and get motivated to start the day. I've been at peace with myself, with my family, with everything, and I really appreciate everything. I thank God for each and every thing that is happening right now. Even though I'm not in control of the process, I can't say I'm 100% happy with the process, but I do trust Him with my life, with my career, with everything. And with homemaking, if I had multiple streams of income, it would have been very satisfying in all the ways. But for now, because I still need to work, I still have to work to ensure that we meet our financial needs, if I may put it that way. So I won't be a full-time. I don't want to be a full-time homemaker at the moment because of that, because of financial situation. Yes, I've been a homemaker for quite some time now. Since we started renting a back room when it was just to be seen Dalo and myself before we bought this house. Um, that's when I started homemaking, where it was all frustrating and so forth and so forth. It's something that I would like to do for the rest of my life. I really like it so much, and I wish I was at that level where I can also say I want to do homeschooling as well, but I'm not there yet. With even with homework, sometimes I'm not 100% involved in homework. And Tobisi is, and I'm on the side of homemaking. It's not that I don't want him to help me with the chores, of which he does a lot. It's just that I want to do things myself. I get comfortable with doing things myself, and I take breaks when I can, because with homemaking you cannot do everything at once. Surely you have to prioritize. As I was doing on this day, I cleaned the stove first because I wanted to use it for cooking, and then I did the dishes later because I wanted to ensure that when they come back from work or from school on this day off, there's food. With the dishes I can always do them later. And with homemaking, I think it's wise not to compare yourself to someone else who has a different household, who has total different life compared to yours. I think you should do what works best for you, for your family. Yes, to ensure that everything runs smoothly, because if you adapt into someone else's life, I don't think it will work, because you own different household. One thing I can say is that homemaking is definitely not for everyone. Some people, love clean homes, prefer clean homes, but it's just not something that they find it therapeutic to do as some people do, as I do. I find it very therapeutic to clean the house. It calms my soul. Yes, and it helps me clear my mind. Please do comment, do you prefer doing things yourself, or do you prefer getting someone else that will help you do the things, instruct them on how you prefer things to be done? Going forward, one of the things that I would like to see, some of the changes that I would like to see around our household, I do pray for a bigger house where I will be able to produce, grow my own food, have my own garden. I really love those. It's just one of my wish lists to have some sort of a space to produce food, especially vegetables and so forth. And another thing, I'm still working on that though. I'm trying to do exercises, eating healthy, drinking more water, vitamin intake. That is still one of my struggles. I'm still struggling in that aspect, because if you are a homemaker, especially a full-time homemaker, some of the homemakers do suggest or encourage that you do some of these things to keep healthy, to get motivated to get things done at all times. It really helps with your immune system as well, to always feel like you are on top of things, even if you don't get things done in one day or in 1 week. Even if it means getting up and making up your bed, doing the dishes. It starts with small changes, but they really encourage that you do some of these things. I've been doing my research because reality it is, I think I might be going to full-time homemaking until I find a job again. So I've been trying to, read more on search on how to handle some of the things to decrease the level of stress, because I don't want to go back to where I was before. I want things to be different. So those are the one of the things that they recommend that you do, those changes. They recommend that you do those things, make them part of your list, just to get motivated. Yes guys, hope you're still enjoying this video and the chit chat. So with cleaning the cabinet, I'm using my usual solution, the vinegar, 50% vinegar and 50% water, because I think it's not very harmful, so, and it's very cheap as well. So wiping the cabinet, that is what I am using. For dinner, there is nothing much that I'm preparing. It's just mashed potatoes, butternut, and a bit of vegetables. I'm trying to make a balanced meal. I'm trying to improve more on that, because we cannot go 100% on nutritious meals. By nutritious, I mean only vegetables and meat or any protein. The only thing we can do for now is to try to make meals that are balanced, ensure that there is a vegetable in one of the meals that we prepare. But during the week, this is not always a success, because we're always in the house very late. We leave the house very early and we come back very late because of the traffic. But when I'm full-time homemaking, I do try to ensure that there is always a vegetable in the meal that we eat. So yes guys, I've been chatting. I hope you do, and you are still enjoying this video. You are motivated to do something in the house. It can be anywhere, or you hope you guys did enjoy this video and the chit chat. Please don't forget to subscribe on the video, like and comment, share if you feel like it is worth to be shared. I will see you guys on my next upload. Bye.